everyone! Today we have an unboxing for Tory Burch. I ordered some shoes, so this is gonna be shoe haul video unboxing. I mean, given everything is that that's going on, I hope everybody is staying safe and healthy. I've been staying at home and working from home for a couple weeks now, and it's hard staying at home all the time. So I hope everybody is hanging in there okay. So ever since this shelter-in-place order began, basically what I've been doing for fun is ordering things online, and waiting for the delivery is just like one of the fun things that I look forward to. So anyway, so Tory Burch was having a sale, 30% off. So I ordered some shoes, and they've arrived. So let's open this together. It's a big box. Looks nice. I think this is the receipt. Thank you card. Let's take that off. Oh, it's a nice box. So let's see. Let's open this one first. Dust bag. So I ordered this Tory Burch Miller sandal, and I guess this is a caramel color. I read the reviews that they run small, so let's see if they fit. I ordered a half a size larger, so I hope they fit. Let's see. Here we go. They do fit. Nice. It's very soft here. It's got some cushion. Okay. Now the next one. Next one is, it's the same sandals, except I ordered in this new color. It's yellow color, I guess lemon color. Oh, it's so pretty. It's really pretty. Oh, it's like bright sunflower yellow color. It's so pretty. I don't know why, but for some reason I really like yellow shoes. So when I saw this color on their website, I just had to grab it. Let's see if they fit. They do fit. I ordered this one in my true size because I didn't see on the website that they run small. So this one looks like they are true to size. But for this color, I read a lot of reviews that they run small, so I ordered half a size larger. So let's see. They're about the same size. So let's compare. Let's compare this. So it looks like the tan color is teeny bit longer. So this is 7.5. This is size 7. So they're about the same. Okay, anyway. Oh, aren't these gorgeous? These are so beautiful. I can't wait to wear them. Okay, now the next one. Is a pair of boots. When I saw these boots online, I just thought they are the most beautiful thing. It's like this little button here. It's turn knob, and you can open it, I guess. Oh yeah, you can open it, and you can adjust this. So I think they're so beautiful. Now, are they gonna be comfortable or not? I wouldn't know, so we'll see about that. Let's see if they fit me. Let's take the papers out. Oh no, it looks like they're a little small on me. Maybe if I open this. Okay, they do fit. Nice. I'll test this out and see if they're comfortable or not. Okay. Anyway, that's all. My shoe haul unboxing video from Tory Burch. I hope this video entertained you a little bit, and I hope everybody stays safe and healthy. Okay, bye.